Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this cloud massage comb. This is for pets. I got a couple cats. Summertime's coming up and they shed a lot. So this should come in handy. So this basically has retractable little tines on it. So once you brush the cat, get the hair out. Okay, so it features these nice little plastic tips on there, so it's not going to scratch too hard and hurt your cat or animal. And then once you want to get that hair out, before it'd be like kind of difficult, but you just press this button on the back, and that lifts that all right off of there, and then you can just pull it off. So what a great idea. Let's go see how the cats like it. Here we go. We have Booger Bear here. He's our friendly cat. And he loves really shedding a lot right now. He's like shedding. I don't know if you guys can hear him purring, but he's super happy. So this doesn't hurt the cat, and seems to really like it. Boogie, what? Is that on your hair? Yeah. So they've been shedding a lot lately because it's summertime, and oh yes, my baby, he really enjoys this. And getting all that hair out so it's not all over your house. Are you happy? Are you happy? All right, so we got look at all that hair. And just to get it off, you can just press this button and collect your hair and you're ready to go again. So that's super handy. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. And here is Thomas. He really likes it. Thomas, I know, buddy. Hey, come on. Come get your combing time. Look at all that hair. Wow, look at you. He's so happy. Hey. Oh, he's so happy. You, Thomas. What a good kitty you are. He really likes the grooming. All right, see how much hair we got there. Wow. Look at that. It comes out right and nice. So this works awesome.